Okay, here's the E alternative fingering, which is very important to know for future reference. Okay, so instead of using your first, second, and third finger, you're going to use your second, third, and fourth. Same frets. So your middle finger is going to go on the first fret of the G string. Your ring finger is going to go on the second fret of the A string. And your pinky is going to go on the second fret of the D string. Again, down strum is an up slant. An up strum, down slant. Again, down, up. Okay, so we're going to strum up now. So I got a down slant. Okay, so this is E alternative.